Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today I'm working on a baby panel. One of my customers, her name's Charlene, and we're just pretty much just going to highlight what's in the panel. We're not going to stitch anything all the way across it on edge to edge. We're going to put some hearts here in the beautiful border, and I've just kind of highlighted here. I'm just going to pretty much trace it. Pretty much trace whatever needs to be stitched. Let's go over here. It's off the belts. It's all loosey-goosey. Shows a nice complementary thread. I'm just going to try and come up right beside this little print pattern. Sometimes it's hard to see where you're going. Just be patient with oneself. Sometimes if you move faster, it's easier. So I know it's hard to say that and do it and try to be able to show you guys all at the same time. So it's a cute little, looks like a mother goose panel. It's got all these little lovely printout. Oops. Okay, we'll check on that. Print out all the way around, or stamp. We're going to go around the outside as well as go around the inside, like this down here. Okay. And she's one of the customers that like more quilting than less quilting. So if I think maybe, you know, oh, that's enough, maybe I should look at it again and then usually quilt up a few more things. Okay, hold on, sorry. Stop there for a second and move because I wasn't positioned correctly. I was stretching there. Now you shouldn't stretch, just relax, relax your shoulders. Okay. It's just one way to really highlight a panel, but just by doing some free motion quilting. Put a nice little meander, loop meander in between all this, but still highlight the print piece, or printed section. Okay, of course I can't go all the way around, so I'm going to have to stop right about there, obviously, because that's as far as I can go with Walt. And then over to the other, lock some stitches in, over to the other side, and make my way up on the other inside part here. Like I said, sometimes it's hard to see, because depending on which way you're going, it's hard to see where you're going. That's why you kind of have to look ahead and aim for that. I said this before as like a little life lesson. You gotta always look ahead. You can't always look what's behind you. You gotta look at what's ahead. May not be in view at the moment, but it's there. Just gotta go for it. Okay, I'm moving, making sure to take my breaths. Okay, that's obviously a little bit different in the print pattern there. I was expecting a straight line like it was the other side. Okay. Beautiful little flower. A wave here. You know, and even you can do this definitely on your domestic with this size of quilt without any issues. And it's nice to be able to give that extra little highlight of the piece that you chose. Okay, oh, there we go. We're done there. So we kind of been busy in the quilt shop. You should be able to see a bit of footage of some quilts we've had going on here. Some very beautiful ones happening. And yeah. See, now I think I'm going to come back here and do a couple little pearls. I may come around and do some pearls in this flower too. I'll do what I need to do first, and then I'll think about it to make sure it's quilted just enough for my customer, not over quilted and not under quilted, because you got to have that happy medium with some people, or a lot of people. They want what they want, which is totally understandable, and I'm not arguing there. Trust me. I just want to make sure everybody's happy in the whole process. So, and then I'll come in and I'll do some around the mother goose and the flower petal and the stem and everything else like that, and I'll just go and highlight it the best I can all the way around it, continuing this whole frame that we have here that's framing the whole panel. Go around the flowers, again with the stems and the flowers, and of course these big ones up here. So yeah, so isn't it beautiful? Even just already you can just tell the bit of a depth and dimension that's going on with this whole pretty little baby quilt. So yeah, so take a shot at the video footage coming up, because there's been some fun stuff that we've had here in the quilt shop. It's nice to be able to share it with you guys, and we will definitely see you on the weekend project, and definitely on the live stream on the weekend. Okay, so take care, everybody. Have yourself a fantastic Wednesday. Big hugs from us at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. Okay, take care, everybody. Enjoy the day.